All right, guys, so today we're doing an unboxing. We were looking for the perfect couch for Sadie, and she's gone through a couple already of Amazon ones, and they just don't hold up. So we were like, we need something better. And while we were searching, we figured out that they're actually highly toxic. And then we went down a rabbit hole to find the best non-toxic one. And would you know that there is not a non-toxic couch for kids, but this is the best that we can do. It's from Brentwood Home, and we got it in a gray color. They come in several colors, but we're gonna unbox it. It came yesterday and we're so excited. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like inside. It just has a bunch of rolled up pieces. Be careful because these are right next to the paper, so you don't want to cut thick because you will probably cut into the material. All right. Oh, there's two pieces in here. Okay, so this is piece number one. I'm 5'2", and this is how long it is. So you can sit comfortably, lay comfortably on this as well. Okay, let's see what's next. Obviously, you also want to take all of these things off and wash them with your hopefully non-toxic detergent, and then we can let the kids play on it. Okay, so this is piece number two, and it looks like it's going to be identical, yep, to piece number one. So now we're probably going to get into like the back support and the little rolly parts that can double as armrests. Let's see. Also, just so that everybody knows, this is not a sponsored video. We are just like every other parent that wants to buy the best kind of quality for our kids. So, but Brentwood Home, if you want to reach out, you know, we're never opposed to partnerships. It's actually probably the best thing too, to cut this with a scissors and not a box cutter, because you will cut right into this. They packaged this so tightly. Here we go. Armrest. 1 and 2. Okay. There's also supposed to be some like back supports. I think this is what they are. They're like triangle shaped. The awesome thing about this couch too is that it can not just be used for seating, but you can build little towers, houses, all these cool things with it, which obviously we weren't getting from just the regular one on Amazon. And so that's something that also led us to want a couch of this caliber. We're realizing now with two that the more that you can just invest in a good item and not have to keep rebuying things, the better it is, because they're gonna grow into it. So then you're gonna have to replace it. And so this one goes all the way up to preteen age. There's like a video on their website too that shows different things that you can do with this couch, and they build forts with it, and they like use these for pillow fights and all these different things. So that is obviously ideal for a parent. You don't want to spend money and feel like you're not getting your money's worth. So I liked the pink, but we thought that maybe it would be better to have something neutral, because then we can also use decorative pillows, cute blankets, and also I, for some reason, think that when you have a like toned this color, you'll be able to get the stains out of things better. I think that pink would probably hold on to a stain longer. Maybe it's just the material, so it wouldn't have mattered, but we felt like we can girly it up with accessories. All right, so also, something to note, I do not smell any off-gassing or strange smells coming off of the material, which is obviously a great sign, because that is not the case with what we've purchased on Amazon. And also, just so you know, what material is not non-toxic. It cannot be made non-toxic fully. It's foam, which is what all of these are made out of. And so that's why I said you can't find a couch like this fully non-toxic. Now, if you're getting something upholstered or something like that, of course you can find and kind of style or design your couch whatever way you want. But I'm talking about these types of foam couches that can be repurposed for play. They're all made out of foam. So this is the best one we can find. I'm gonna kind of play around with it and see if I can show you guys at least one variation of how to use it. So we'll be back. All right. Okay, so this is one way that you can make it like a giant couch. This would be super fun for movie night because we could like be on here with her. So come around the front. These pillows back here are sturdy. I'm shaking them and I'm not going anywhere. And then you have your little side pillows here. Something else I've seen also is we've actually realized that this one down here is thicker than this. So this is why I use this thinner one for the backrest. But we've seen also, I think in that video, where you can fold each one into a seated position and then have those same triangular pillows behind there for support and these on the side. So, and then of course you can build like little house forts and all that other cool stuff, pillow fight with these modular pillows. So we're so excited to show this to Sadie. And first we're gonna get this all in the wash and then we'll take a video of her reaction when she sees it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. What's that?
Sadie, we got you a new couch.
What's that, my Sadie? Oh, do you like it? Wow.